Sahih al-Bukhari 3349, narrated Ibn Abbas radiyallahu ta'ala anha. The Prophet sallallahu alayhi wasallam said, "You will be gathered on the day of judgment, barefooted, naked, and not circumcised." He then recited, "As we begin the first creation, we shall repeat it, a promise we have undertaken. Truly, we shall do it." 21.104. He added, "The first to be dressed on the day of resurrection will be Abraham, and some of my companions will be taken towards the left side, i.e. to the hellfire, and I will say, my companions, it will be said, they renegade from Islam after you left them. Then I will say, as the pious slave of Allah, i.e. Jesus, said, and I was a witness over them while I dwelt amongst them. When you took me up, you were the watcher over them, and you are a witness to all things. If you punish them, they are your slaves, and if you forgive them, verily you are the Almighty, the All-Wise." 5.120 and 121. Sahih al-Bukhari 3350, narrated Abu Hurairah radiyallahu ta'ala anhu. The Prophet sallallahu alayhi wasallam said, "On the day of resurrection, Abraham will meet his father Azar, whose face will be dark and covered with dust." The Prophet sallallahu alayhi wasallam, Abraham will say to him, "Didn't tell you not to disobey me?" His father will reply, "Today I will not disobey you." Abraham will say, "O Lord, you promised me not to disgrace me on the day of resurrection, and what will be more disgraceful to me than cursing and dishonoring my father?" Then Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala will say to him, "I have forbidden paradise for the disbelievers." Then he will be addressed, "O Abraham, look what is underneath your feet." Look, and there he will see a dove, an animal's blood stain, which will be caught by the legs and thrown in the hellfire. Like and subscribe my channel for more hadith videos. Allah bless you. Allah Hafiz.